Hi, the purpose of this video is to discuss and go into a little bit of detail of our retirement feasibility analysis service that we offer our clients at Beacon Financial Strategies. Really, the purpose of a retirement feasibility analysis in our mind is simply to instill confidence and peace of mind in people who are embarking on retirement, or even those who are in retirement, to instill a sense of confidence that they're doing everything correctly, to put the odds in their favor that their assets will last them throughout their lifetime. So some of the things that we take a look at in a retirement feasibility analysis are, how much you're saving, where are you saving to, what type of account you're saving to, is that the most efficient and effective way to save for retirement. We also look for and try to identify certain weaknesses for people. If we can identify those weaknesses and correct those early on, it's going to give you the highest probability of a successful retirement and meeting your retirement goals over the course of this extended period. In a typical retirement feasibility analysis for us, we're looking at things like, what's the best time to take your Social Security retirement benefit? Can you afford to self-insure for long-term care expenses, or does it make financial sense for you to buy long-term care insurance to cover those potential long-term care needs? Is your portfolio allocated in such a way that will allow you to have the highest probability of meeting your return assumptions? Are you too aggressively allocated? Are you too conservatively allocated? Those are the types of things we like to think about in the context of this holistic retirement plan for a person. Also, we try to look at the impact of financial curveballs, unexpected expenses, low return environment, high inflation environment. What happens in the event that the market declines in a very large manner in a certain period of time? What happens if there's unexpected medical expenses that arise? We try to simulate those inside the plan just to determine if a person's portfolio and assets will last throughout this period. We also try to customize certain components that are really client specific. So, what happens if a person doesn't retire completely? Maybe they work for 5 years before, as on a part-time level before retiring completely. Maybe they take a lower paying job that's more enjoyable. What happens if they actually retire earlier than their expectation? What happens if there's a forced layoff? We like to think about some of these unexpected issues as well. Also, some people like to embed planned expenses, travel expenses, vacation homes, more discretionary spending. Sometimes people like to add those into the analysis just to see what impact it could have long term. For us, we like to proactively schedule a retirement feasibility analysis for our ongoing clients as a part, especially those in the net worth management service, as well as our retainer arrangement clients. Every 2 years, we really seek out our clients and try to schedule this type of analysis, and just to have that discussion, just to see if we're on track, things we can do to tweak, make improvements to the retirement plan itself. This can also be, a retirement plan can also be a component of an introductory financial plan. So for some people who really want a checkup, we can conduct this retirement feasibility analysis as a component of an introductory plan, with the idea that follow-ups would occur over time. Hopefully this video has been helpful in giving you some idea of exactly what's included with the retirement feasibility analysis and the benefits that can be derived from this type of analysis. We'd be happy to show you examples of our work in our no obligation introductory meeting. Give our office a call, 919-321-8625, or click on the request more info button and simply request a meeting to have a conversation with us.